let's learn how to turn off keyboard sound on iPhone. Well, for that you just need to follow some of the simple steps. As you can see, go to settings, scroll down and click on sound and haptics. Here it is. Now go down. As you can see here, the keyboard feedback. The keyboard feedback is right now on sound option. Click on to that and now simply turn off the sound option. As you can see, it is enabled right now. It is in green color, but when you turned it off, it will go into white color. So this is how you can turn off the keyboard sound. Now you will even not be able to hear the sound of your typing when your phone is on ringer mode or not on mute option. So this is how you can very easily do this, and just follow these steps and you will be good to go. I hope this is going to be informative. So thank you so much and stay tuned for the other videos as well. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.